So then there's this one here. You got some storage on the outside, outdoor kitchen that slides out. Something tells me if we go to the back of this one, there's a pullout. Yeah. So this whole back area of this particular one is raised because there's a tray. If we can, let me see if I can at least sneak the camera in there a little bit to see. See that little tray right there? That thing pulls out. So this whole back area is storage. This model number is the 425FO, 425FO, 151, 422. That's the show price, okay? So let's go in and check this one out. I mean, they're literally packing everything up around us. So up here in the front, nice front living area. Oh, with football going on, okay? We've got sofa here.
Tampa's playing,
Sofa
we can't
here.
watch.
Yep. So these open up to become beds. You got the theater chairs. And so when you're sitting here, you got a perfect view of the TV, fireplace, sound bar. There's some cabinetry all around. But wait till you see this. You ready? Look at this crap.
What?
I dropped the camera right now, but then y'all would be really mad.
What?
Look at that. A dedicated, huge front office. This is even bigger than the other one. We saw the first one of these today for the very first time, something that was like this and was just in total shock. So it's not just an office, it's a his and her office. Desk there, desktop there, right? This is amazing, guys. If you still work for a living, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm speechless, really. Wow.
And I love that the windows are open. You can see the cross ventilation. So
Yeah.
if you want to enjoy the outdoors and be inside, you can still do that. I love this. This is amazing.
And I mean, you could close the door and like be in the office, right? So a lot of people that work from home, you know, you go into an office space, shut the door, and you're working until you're done, and then you leave that space.
Yeah.
You could do that.
Absolutely.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And we're going to close this so we can watch the game again.
Oh,
dude.
Oh,
Almost an interception. Almost an
man.
interception. We can't watch.
No, we can't.
We're obviously in Florida. We're obviously Tampa Bay fans, but every time we watch, they lose. So we're not going to watch. We'll watch the replay. Nice kitchen, nice open space because it does not have an island.
Right.
But you have your sink over here,
Yeah, plenty of
which
room
is
to
far
move
left
around.
side. Right. So you have this extra prep space, dishwasher, cabinetry all
I
around.
think I follow you on YouTube.
Oh, you do?
See one of your movies.
There you go.
Ah,
Lisa's
hang
got a
on,
gift for
hang
you.
on.
That's what
Yeah.
happens when you recognize us.
And
He's been watching us.
I called me and I said, "Hey, I'm there."
By the way, look at this.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love it.
Our dogs were wearing these yesterday too.
Yeah.
Yeah, dogs have the same hoodies as we do.
Oh, that's
A
great.
French bulldog.
It's a family affair.
Yes.
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 All right, so you have
And we
cabinetry
watch
all the way
YouTube
around, everybody.
all
Well, thank
the
you so
time.
much, guys. We
Yes,
appreciate
thank
you.
We do appreciate you. Thank you.
It was fun running into you for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was great. I was all excited. I was like, wait a minute, he's
Place for
here. He's
For the
here.
garbage. Oh, we're here. This is our
Yeah.
day 6 for us, and I
Oh,
can't tell you how many streams.
Look at that.
That's,
How
that's the dogs
cute.
wearing the same thing they're wearing.
We are live, by the way. Say hello to everybody.
Hey, everybody.
So we do the RV living
Dinette that
thing.
seats
We're on
4.
storage in Seville.
Okay.
Okay, very nice.
And then you have your
Yes.
refrigerator over here, and again, lots of
We need
cabinetry.
to-
We're going to keep on moving on while she's talking.
Love
All right, you got a little entry seat here, place to hang your jackets, and then we're going to go up to the back of the bedroom. Remember, the whole back is raised, so you have all that storage underneath.
Yeah, that's
All right, so that toilet is definitely tall and fluffy approved. Nice under countermount sink. It's all molded in there. Nice medicine cabinet, and you have your linen closet as well. The shower is basically flush mounted like we've been talking, so there's going to be plenty of height there for someone like me, 6'4". So in the bedroom, huge space up here, guys. There's huge space because the bed is on a slide. That looks to be like an RV king. All right. CPAP shelves here. Power right there. Right. That's good. That's good. Right there as well. Right across. So again, some more nice cabinetry. TV already mounted. And then you've got your washer dryer that is behind here. It's already tied up, but that's a slide. It doesn't pull. There's just a little latch right here. I can undo it for you guys. See? Washer dryer is already in there. Okay, and then you have the rest of it is closet. Big hanging space, already a vacuum, comes with it to help keep the place clean. And they even throw in a laundry basket. All right, I love this. I think I'm gonna go sit up in front of that office. Oh, there's also a little drawer right there in the steps. That's interesting thing. I mean, you can see the handle if you look for it, but if you didn't know that was there, you wouldn't know to look. But I saw the initials saying FO, and the other one that we went in had an FO next to its number. I'm like, oh, I wonder if this is a front office too. So yeah, that is fantastic, guys. Really. And nothing else I feel suffers because of it. Your living room is still generous, guys. It's still huge. Your dining and kitchen area still nice and big, everything you need. And so is the bedroom and the bathroom. So you can squeeze all this stuff in there. That's great. Fantastic. All right, so we're going to get back outside. I'm going to go on to the next one.